Hey everybody, it's Maureen and I am back with a video to share some layouts and some cards that I've made with all the scrapbooking supplies from past Hip Kit clubs that I had saved up for my freeze. So here's one of my girls in the morning. This is one of Kylie when she was, I think that was her first visit to the beach. She was about 1.5 years old. This is from Thanksgiving, my mom and dad and all their grandkids. And this is of my friend Nicole and her husband and their clan going down to the beach for vacation. And this is of her son Weston when he was born. Here is one card. Another card. And the last one. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.